Hangul, Hangul, easy and smart. Hangul, Hangul, unique and bright. Made for me, made for you. Hangul, Hangul, we love you too. Who made it? King Sejong the Great. Where was it made? Egyptian Jun. When was it made? In 1443. When was it shared? In 1446. Why did he make it? So everyone could read and write. Hangul, Hangul, easy